Good morning. It's 6:20 a.m. I think. It is very early and I'm a bit tired because we stayed up, me and my mom stayed up all night watching Saving Private Ryan because we're gonna be visiting Normandy today. Didn't get much sleep, but here we are. I'm gonna try to fly the drone through one of the cave entrance cliff things. You'll see what I mean. Basically, I'm gonna try to fly my drone in between there. What? Look at this. There's literally like a cannon over there on the side of the wall. Alright, so check this out. That's the hole in the rock or cliffside or whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to try to fly my drone through it. Alright, we've arrived at the final destination. Nope. Alright. Yep. This way. Yesterday we went up there, and today I'm gonna go right there. Because this just leads to an overlooking view. Try to not lose my drone. There's this path and this path. I'm gonna take this path. This terrain. Ugh. It's gotta be the coolest golf course location ever. Look at that. Wow. I don't even play golf. Never have. Probably won't for a while. And I would want to play golf there. That's awesome. Wow, here we go. We're gonna continue down. And wow, you can start to get a view now. Oh. Hopefully around the next bend, there's gonna be the place I'm looking for. And then if not, we will continue hiking. It's literally a giant fade. It doesn't even look like water. This is so whack. Oh. Right there is the hole I'm talking about. So I don't know if I should set up my drone here. Let's try it. I think I see a rabbit. So, this is where I'm going to be staying tonight. As you guys can see, this is some pretty steep terrain. Now, this is the path, and that's where I just walked. And we're gonna continue. It's insane. Guys, can you keep it down? Yo, guys, keep it down. I'm trying to film. Anyways, since I don't really have much to say right now, I'm kind of just in awe. I want to take the time to thank you guys for just supporting me. Yeah, say thank you. No way.